Feeling unsafe during your divorce? It's crucial to know when a restraining order is necessary. If your spouse has threatened, harassed, or emotionally abused you, a Domestic Violence Restraining Order, DVRO, might be essential for your protection. Remember, abuse isn't always physical. Verbal and emotional abuse can also qualify for a DVRO. It's vital to recognize these signs and take action to ensure your safety and peace of mind. To file for a Temporary Restraining Order, TRO, complete the DV-100 form at your local courthouse. Providing detailed information about your situation is crucial for immediate protection. In urgent cases, the court can grant a TRO within 24 hours. For instance, we assisted a client who received swift protection from an abusive spouse, ensuring their safety until the hearing. Expect a court hearing within 21 days of filing your TRO. It's essential to gather evidence like threatening messages, police reports, and witness statements to support your case. If the court grants a permanent restraining order, it can last up to 5 years. This long-term protection is vital for maintaining your safety and peace of mind. To enforce your restraining order, provide a copy to local law enforcement and keep one with you. If violated, report it immediately as it's a criminal offense. Divorce 661 offers assistance with paperwork, ensuring everything is filed correctly. With flat fee pricing and remote services, securing your protection has never been easier. Visit divorce661.com for a free consultation today